Hello everybody, I am Kiran Kumar from the Nature of Physics. Today topic is important short answer from the system of particle and rotational motion about the relation between the angular acceleration and the torque student. Before we have the definitions about the angular acceleration, the rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. So that angular acceleration alpha, which is equal to d omega divided by dt student. Omega represent the angular velocity. Next, torque definition. The rate of change of angular momentum is called torque student. So tau, which is equal to d by dt of L student, where L represent the angular momentum. Already written angular momentum. So L is equal to, here we can write I omega. The basic formula for the L, that is L bar, which is equal to R bar cross P bar student. Basic formula, but required formula is L is equal to I omega. Okay student, now I am going to discuss about this relation. So relation between the alpha is the angular acceleration, tau is the torque student. Already we got torque definition, tau which is equal to d by dt of L student, but L is equal to I omega. I is the moment of inertia. Moment of inertia, so that the values are replacing tau, which is equal to d by dt of L is equal to I omega student, and the next step, tau which is equal to I common, moment of inertia is remains constant, d omega by dt. Now I can write this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 student, this is equation number 3, and next step you can clearly notice, that is, tell me student, equation 1 in equation number 3 student, we will get the answer, that is tau which is equal to I alpha. Tau which is equal to I alpha is the equation number 4 is the answer for the given question. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics.